Welcome to Wigglesticks TV. So today we finally got our package arrived from France, Bagster tank cover. Hopefully in the right covers, the right colours for the 98 over there. So I actually have a tank in the right colours for my 98 SRAD over there. Yeah, I had this custom made by Bagster. It's pretty cool. You can just ring them up and they'll make it. To wait a bit of a delay because of COVID, but so you can see I've got the black. Someone's already had a black only tank on there. Actually, all the lines and everything. Here is what's on the actual original tank. So yeah, I've actually got another nose cone getting fixed at the moment. So you can see it's nothing really. My fairings are actually in quite good condition. They're just missing the correct sticker from here and up here, and also this one is just peeling. The laminate is peeling off that genuine sticker, and there's a bit of wearing and stuff around the top section here. But a couple of my tabs, this tab is broken, but the rest of the fairings are in quite good condition. They don't really need a very, very light polish, and the correct stickers, and that'd be good. So I'll probably keep these. So yeah, somehow we ended up with quite a lot of fairings here. Yeah, mainly because I ordered the wrong one, and then the awesome guys at Bagster, we cut a bit of a deal and kind of split the cost of reshipping them over. So we've ended up with two right hand sides that need a fair bit of repair. Well, not really, just a bit of repair just to get the scratches and stuff out of them. This one's got some deep scratches and stuff in it, as you can see, but we have got one that's in really super nice condition that will pretty much just bolt straight on, and then we've got the second one over here as the car just drives past. That's just, I think it will polish up pretty damn nicely. And then I have a brand new, you could still order this one from Suzuki, so I've got the middle section there. So just going to go back over and yeah, start pulling the fairing off this one and putting the new one on, and then I'll polish that other section when it's actually on the bike without the seat off, because I think it will be yeah, I think it'll be fine to do it that way. So yeah, let's get cracking. Went out for a spin with the new fairing on the back. Colours work much better than just the all black. So we'll just wait for the nose fairing bit to be sorted, and then back to full OEM.